In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create your own animation and play it using a script in Roblox Studios. By the end of this video, you'll have a working animation in your game. First, what you want to do is go to the Avatar tab and click this button that says Character. Once you've done that, this window should pop up, and this is what we'll use to create a rig. First, we're going to choose the rig type. If you don't know what R15 and R6 is, R15 has 15 body parts and R6 has 6 body parts. The second setting is body shape. Now for this tutorial, I'm just going to use the black avatar. Now that we have a rig, we can start animating it. To open the animation editor, make sure the rig is selected, then go to Avatar tab, then click the button that says Clip Editor. Once you have the animation editor opened, you can go ahead and name your animation. I'm going to name it Wave because I'm going to make a wave animation. To create an animation, you can use the Move and Rotate tool, which is at the top right here. Move will just like move it up and down, left to right. And the Rotate tool will obviously rotate the arm. When I'm making an animation, I like to click this plus button and then add all body. Now you'll see every body part of your rig. This window is a timeline and it includes the keyframes. The keyframes represent the body parts that you've moved. So if I rotate this, then the keyframe saves the movement. Once you're done with that, you can move the blue line forward. As soon as you rotate the arm, Roblox automatically creates a new keyframe. Now if you click the play button, the animation will play. But as you can see, it's pretty quick, so we have to slide this keyframe down a couple frames. Now if you play, you can see that it's much better. If you want the animation looped, just click this button. Now you pretty much know how to create an animation in Roblox Studios. So just real quick, I'm going to delete the keyframes and I'm going to create my wave animation. Once I'm done with the animation, I'll show you how to play the animation in game. I have now finished my wave animation. It's not the best, but it will do. Now that we're done with the animation, we have to get the ID. First, click the 3 dots, then click Publish to Roblox. Now fill all this out, and then click Save. Once it's done, you'll see the ID with all these numbers. You can then save it to your clipboard. Now we can start scripting. Insert a script into the rig. Then copy this exact code. First, we get the humanoid of the rig. Then, we create an animation object. Now, we'll connect the animation to our uploaded animation. This is where you're going to paste your ID. Then, we find the animator inside the rig humanoid. Now, we load the animation. And finally, we play the animation. Now that we're done with the script, we can go ahead and test it out. As soon as the game starts, the animation plays automatically. And that's the basics of creating an animation and playing it using a script in Roblox Studios. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe, and comment on where I should make a tutorial on next. See ya! Air.